Hello everyone. Welcome to another art tutorial with Udo Creatives. Today we will be doing a simple nail art tutorial. We will be working on how to draw the sun. This tutorial is beginner friendly and uses basic materials which I will add in the description below. First thing I will do here is apply magenta nail polish as my base. Why magenta? There is no particular reason. I simply felt my creativity pushing me to that direction. Remember that there is no rule for design. It is all about expressing yourself. Feel free to experiment. Okay, time to work on my sun. First, I will apply a ball sticker to the middle of my nail. This will serve as my sun's core. To add the sticker, you can use tweezers if you have any. I'm using a custom tool. To complete my sun, I am using golden glitter gel polish and my pointed brush to draw the sun rays. You can also use yellow for this, though it might not look the same with the magenta base. And there you have it. An easy sun nail art design. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to experiment with more designs and patterns. Please like this video and subscribe to Udo Creatives for more art content.